Assalamu alaikum. To all who are listening and watching me at this time of Hello Viewer, I will make a video the way we were. Clothing has been manufactured in essentially the same way since the invention of the sewing machine in the mid-19th century. Old-fashioned, labor-intensive methods are still used by some small manufacturers and designers of custom-made apparel because they cannot afford technical upgrades. Personal computers and inexpensive software are changing apparel design, and even small manufacturers can afford computer-assisted apparel production applications. Today, more than 90% of apparel sold in America is manufactured offshore. This reality has accelerated use of computer-assisted apparel production methods and the Internet. In the 1970s, grading and marker making was computerized, followed in the 1990s by large computer-aided design (CAD) systems, taking over pattern making, fabric design, and design graphics. Today, even the smallest manufacturer can rent hardware and software to assist the design and production processes. Computer-generated patterns, markers, specifications, and cost sheets can be sent via the Internet to factories located around the world. Though some jobs have been lost, designers, pattern makers, marker makers, graders, and cutters are still needed in this fast-paced business. Computer companies offer seminars for students and current manufacturing employees to keep them updated on new technology. Fashion schools have added computer-assisted technology courses to their curriculum. Tuka Tech set up Tuka Centers in America as an innovation for students and those owning small businesses. They can produce patterns and samples from designs using Tuka Tech software and have the patterns printed out at a local Kinko's. Another innovation by Tuka Tech and the fashion bookstore is Fashion Project Cafe, which is housed in the Fashion Mart at Los Angeles, California. The project was conceived as an associated service for manufacturers large and small. The service center leverages the most advanced technology in computer-aided pattern making, grading, and 3D sewing that streamlines apparel production, reduces cost, and increases speed and quality to the market. Even though American manufacturing is being outsourced to other countries, the entrepreneur can always find a niche in this dynamic industry that values change. Fashion-savvy youth and innovative fashion leaders still demand innovative apparel. The mature customer searches for attractive garments that fit his or her changing figure. Flexibility, research, and knowledge of a customer's needs are the requirements of a successful apparel manufacturer of any size. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and comment.